Hytech Didactic Integrated Assembly Cell is an integrated robotics cell which provides users with hands-on experience on robotic bolt assembly process. This cell is integrated with PLC, HMI and SCADA. For automation stations are provided to carry out assembly process along with vision inspection. This cell includes an industrial 7-axis robot with industrial linear gantry axis and a 4-axis SCARA robot with a DC nut runner attachment. This robotic cell provides exposure on not only robotics but also on mechatronics-based applications including PLC, HMI and SCADA. User is expected to integrate various automation processes with robots through SCADA. User can design new screen on SCADA Runtime and design new algorithms as well as processes on the PLC and SCADA. The process in this setup includes automatic dispensing of 2 different jobs, press assembly of dispensed jobs, bolt assembly of assembled jobs and vision inspection end product. User is exposed to various industrial processes such as bolt assembly by a DC nut runner mounted on a SCARA robot and integration of 7-axis industrial robot with entire system through PLC and SCADA. End effectors of the robots include a DC nut runner with torque control and Profinet-based universal gripper which can be utilized for jobs of various sizes. User is exposed to industrial DC nut runner with torque control in integration with a SCARA robot for automated bolt assembly application. With this state-of-the-art robotic cell, users are exposed to latest integrated robotic programming by integrating 2 robots, PLC, HMI and SCADA. Users can also utilize various offline programming software such as Siemens Technomatics to carry out complex robotic programming and avoid collision.